Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how your students can participate in some of our fun and engaging competitions on EP.
Click on the Competitions tab at the top of your dashboard. Here you can see any current or upcoming competitions that are facilitated by EP. These have an official blue tag on the side of them. Clicking on each will access more information about when the competitions are run, what they entail, and the prizes up for grabs. If you want to create your own competition, click on the New Competition button on the top right-hand side of the screen. Label your competition appropriately and give the students some information about who they are competing against, what they are learning, and what is up for grabs. Now select one class or multiple classes. If you know of another school that uses EP and want to compete against them, you can message us to organise that for you. This is where you choose what content your students will have access to for this competition. You can select either an entire subject from our content library or specific lessons. It will give you an estimated time frame for your students to work their way through the selected content. From here, you will have two options, revision or learning. Revision for this competition will clear any existing learning that students have done on the content you have selected. This means they can obtain points from all of the lessons. Learning will allow the students to pick up from where they have left off and will not allow them to obtain points for lessons that they have already completed. Flexible options allow you to change your dates, times, and the tiered points targets. Keep in mind that one correct question generally equals 1 point. Click Create Competition. Most components of the competition can be edited once it has been set. Either copy the direct competition link and send it to your students or share it to the Google Classroom.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to create competitions on EP. For more fun ways to use competitions in your class, have a look at our help guide called Ways to Implement Competitions in Your Classroom.